2020, a year that people will never forget. Everyone entered this year with joy and happiness. No one had any idea what will happen in this year.
आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
A year that taught us that anything can be changed within a fraction of time. In this year, many of us lost their loved ones, their jobs, their business, their work, and their belief that they can back on track again. This COVID-19 situation affected a life of every single one of us. So in this situation, instead of feeling depressed and wasting time thinking negatively, I decided to utilize my time and work for my passion. And this is how my YouTube journey started.
Oh, love, tell me there's a river I can swim that will bring you back to me. 'Cause I don't know how to love someone else. I don't know how to forget your face. Oh, love, gotta miss you every single day and night. So far away. So far away.
It's breaking me, I'm losing you. We were far from perfect, but we were worth it. Too many fights and we cried but never said we're sorry. Stop saying you love me, you're calling me now, but I can't pick up. Your shadow's too close and I'm still in love. The summer's over now, but somehow it still breaks my heart. We could have had to stop.
Oh, love, how I miss you every single day when I see you on those streets. Oh, love, tell me there's a river I can swim that will bring you back to me. 'Cause I don't know how to love someone else. I don't know how to forget your face. Oh, love, gotta miss you every single day and night. So far away. So far away.
Every time, just remember one thing, that everything comes with good as well as bad time. You have to be grateful for your good time and stay strong to pass your bad time. Stay happy, stay safe.